How to update Apollo Group TV. I'm going to tell you how to update Apollo Group TV. If your Apollo app isn't updating properly, like it's stuck on a download screen or keeps asking to update, here's how to fix it. First, open the downloader app. If you don't have it, install it from the App Store. In Downloader, enter the code 299336. This will download the latest Apollo Group TV APK. Once it's done, select Install. You don't need to uninstall the old version. This will override it and keep your login info intact. If that doesn't work, try this. Open the Apollo app, go to Settings, and then clear the cache. Then relaunch the app. This can trigger the update prompt again. Still having issues? Uninstall the Apollo app completely, then reinstall it using Downloader with the same code, 299336. This ensures you're starting fresh with the latest version.